Now we will show you the light function of this camcorder. Firstly, you should open it and the screen will turn on automatically. Then this is the normal recording screen of this camcorder. You can use the light function when the environment is dark. This is normally the camcorder recording screen. You can open the light function with press the power key. And you can see the light is on on the screen. Then it turns on the light version function. Press the power key to turn it off. And this is the normally recorded screen. And now we will show you the effect of light function. We will turn the light off. Normally you can't see anything when the environment is dark. And now we will turn on the light function with press power key. Okay, we turn on light function and you can see clearly there, even if the environment is dark. Okay, and this is all the light function. It is useful when the environment is dark.